How to make a gradient in Figma. To do this, I created this rectangle here, and I just want to click on that, and now I can go to the fill section here on the right hand side, and I'm just going to click on this little box, and that brings up my color palette. Here I can choose whichever color I want, so I'm just going to go with this red for now. And now I can click on this next little box right here, which is called gradient, and that will create a gradient between two colors. To make this more obvious, I'm just gonna select the second color, make it something else like this blue, for example. Maybe if I make it a little darker. Okay, and as you can see, it created this fade between these two colors, and you can also change the opacity of one to be 0, so it just fades into the background, but it still retains some of the color which fades into the other one. Or you can just make this white or black to create a transparent gradient, but that's not what we're going for right now, so I'm just gonna revert it back to this blue. We can also add colors in between those and change them up like this. Let's go with maybe something pink. And if I mess it up, I don't like how this looks, I can just go here and click on this minus symbol here, which says delete gradient stop, and it will just delete that. And again, I can drag these around, I can delete that as well. And I can also choose different types of gradients. In this case, this is linear, goes into a straight line, which I can also move around like this or outside the box. But we can also choose a radial gradient like this, which starts from a single point and radiates outwards in a circle. This can give you some cool effects. We can also choose angular, which has this very sharp distinct line where these two colors collide, so it just goes around like this, like a cone shape looked at from the top. Maybe that's a way to explain it. And you can also choose diamond, which I think is self-explanatory. It's the same as circle, it's just in a diamond shape. And that's how you create a gradient in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.